Hey Vatos, how's it going? This is Angel with Vapewaves and Subarus. I want to thank you guys for clicking on episode number 3 of my rally build on this Subaru Legacy. On the last episode where we left off, I tried starting the vehicle up, but I found out that I wasn't getting no fuel to the engine. With later investigation, I found out that the fuel pump was actually complete garbage. It's just completely rusted out. Who knows how long that old fuel pump has been sitting around, so it's definitely something that's gonna have to go. On this episode, I'm gonna be pulling that out. I'm gonna be taking out the old fuel and cleaning out the inside of the tank, putting in the new fuel pump. I'm also gonna be installing the headers on the vehicle and putting the radiator in it, so hopefully I'll be able to get the car running for a long enough time so I can get it to optimal temperature. Still not sure if that's gonna go well or not, but we gotta hope for the best, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we have the old fuel pump. Here we got nice new works fuel pump. Go right here. Alright, with some minor modifications. Alright, going back in. Alright, fuel pump is in. Alright, here we have the exhaust manifold with the oxygen sensor. There we go. In here. Already cleaned it up. Had a lot of gunk in it, but try to put it on. Alright, we got the OEM exhaust manifold installed. Fits tight. I have the rest of it at home. It didn't fit in my car, so I'm gonna have to wait. But it should at least quiet it down a little bit. So that's good. Just took out the thermostat. It actually looks pretty good. No gunk or anything out of the ordinary. Coolant color was pretty normal. I think this is a good engine, man. Real happy. Alright, quick update. The radiator I got for it did not fit. The mounts were too far apart. And these fans aren't turning on. I'm not really sure why. I gotta test them out individually, see if they're getting power or if the fans are just bad. But I did buy a new radiator. Popped it in real quick and filled it up with coolant, which just finished. and I'm about to start it up. I also popped in a new thermostat in there while I was down, and it actually looked pretty clean on the inside. I was really surprised. The old thermostat is right here. No gunk, no rust, no nothing. So that's really good actually. So let's see. The seat moves. Alright. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna start it up once again. Keep my eye on the temperature, make sure everything's good. Guys, there you have it. She does run. I am so excited to finally get this car running. Pretty much overall, just replaced the thermostat, installed the headers, the fuel pump. I installed that new radiator. I did have to use a second radiator because the first one I originally got just did not fit. I could not make it work. And I still have to mess with those cooling fans because the brackets themselves do not align with that new radiator. But I mean, that's honestly the least of my worries right now. Just the fact that the vehicle is running is just fantastic. So the next thing that's on the list is gonna have to definitely be that harmonic balancer. It just looks like it wants to give out. I don't want anything bad to happen if I do run that thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna take out the radiator again and to be able to pull out the harmonic balancer. And I think since I'm already going to be in that area, I think I'm gonna be doing the timing as well. I think I'd rather do the preventative maintenance than to wait for something to break or an old belt to snap and bend some valves. So it can be a lot of bad news if you don't change the timing. I don't know how long the vehicle has been sitting or when was the last, if they've ever done the maintenance on it. So it's really a good idea to get that knocked out first. But yeah, so far it seems that I've had some pretty good luck with this engine. When I was looking inside of the actual thermostat housing, everything seemed to be clean. There was no gunk. The coolant looked to be in good condition. The engine oil looks to be in good condition as well. So yeah, I mean, so far so good on this vehicle. It's been a good investment so far, I think. I do want to thank you guys for coming back and checking all these videos out. It really does mean a lot. All the viewers that I'm getting, all the people that seem to be interested in this build. It's been really fun. Make sure that you guys do check out my Instagram. I got my Facebook. I got this YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share the videos. I do have the Patreon as well if you guys want to help me out with the build because all this is coming out of my pocket. So it definitely means a lot to everybody that's been helping out. Go ahead and let me know in the comments what you guys think so far about the build, about the channel, whatever you guys think I should do next on the next couple of videos. There's plenty of stuff that's still left to do. Also go ahead and check out my Instagram. I make the city pop videos and music videos. I make the album art. I got a lot of stuff going on, so go ahead and check that out, man. If you're curious, you know, go and check it out. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later, vatos.